Well, the rain moved in, shut me down from my yard work. I thought I'd do a few charts, and I found some that I really like to start off the work week with. So anything I talk about for the charts is I use the yearly, the 20-day, the 50-day, and the 200-day moving average. So let's kick it off with the symbol is GLND. It closed at $3.06 a share. It's definitely a clear bottom play on this one. It had a huge sell-off. Looks like that the selling has definitely stopped and the buyers stepped in. The MACD, the MACD line, is in the midst of flipping positive. Has a gap to fill. A lot to like about this one, and the gap fill is would be up around where the 20-day moving average is at $4.64 a share. So, in my opinion, which I'm not a financial advisor, so take it for what it's worth. I think it has a lot of upside, and it could eventually be testing that before too long. The next one I will look at is the symbol is MRAM. Closed at $26.99. Chart is absolutely exploding. It's jumping off the page. The buyers can't get enough of this. It doesn't matter what the price is. They want it. They want it. They want it, and that's a great thing if you're holding shares of this. It closed near the high of day. The share structure is very tiny. It's 23 million outstanding shares. The public tradable float is 18.8 million. So it looks like it's in the AI robotics, and they seem to make components that it's critical to making these things run. And it's supply and demand, and it looks like the demand is there. So definitely put this one on your radar. The third one is the symbol is ASTS, closed at $75.05. Testing the 20-day moving average, a break above it, and the 50 days at 84.92, which is quite attainable. If the buying continues, I don't see why this won't be a $100 stock in the near future. So I'm not a financial advisor, so take it for what it's worth, but this one has a lot of potential to it. The next one I have is VNRX, $2.25 it closed at. Another bottom play, and this one, if you look up the short report on this one, it's the short is like 60% of the volume, clearly day after day. I mean, this one's been shorted down to nothing. The best thing about shorting a stock, the shorts at some point have to pay up. This one had some good news last week. Started to see a rally before it pulled back, most likely because of the shorts. If it gets a little bit more volume, this one could get some legs to it. The 20-day moving average has pushed this one down where it stands at 280. I think if it can get up and test the 280 and close above it at some point, it could start to make a bullish run. But the short up report really jumped off the page on this one. So definitely put it on your watch list. I got three more, I believe. The next one is SLNH, closed at $1.83 a share. It's pushed off the 20-day moving average like a champ. It's testing resistance. If it breaks it, 230 looks to be quite attainable, so definitely take a look at that one. The next one is REPL, closed at $4.07 a share. It really had a strong move off the 20-day moving average. I love it when something rides it for a bit and then does a push off, because usually it gains momentum. People jump in and off it goes. So keep that one on your radar. The 50-day sits at $5.40 a share. So, I mean, that's something that is quite attainable if the volume picks up here. So the last one is SPCE, $2.94 a share. Has a ton of volume coming into this one. Pushed off the 50, and it seems like it wants to test the 200-day moving average at 321. Seems like a hot sector suddenly. So this one, if it breaks above it, can really go for a run here. So that one is definitely on my radar. It should be on yours. If you like this video, take a peek at some of the others. I've had some really good runners lately. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Like it. I love comments, so please leave one if you like the video. If you don't like the video, if there's something you want me to look at, just let me know, and I definitely would. So take care, and I'll see you soon.